Hey guys, welcome back. Yesterday we didn't do so great. We're going to try to make it up today. Right here, we've got 10 Rebel Clash booster packs that we're going to go ahead and just tear right into because it's going to take me about a year and a half to open these things since they're super glued shut, and it's crazy. I don't understand. I've never come across any other pack that's as tightly sealed as these. At least no one's going to open them without me knowing, you know what I mean? So there is that. Hope everybody had a good day yesterday. I know I did. Twin energy, I like that. All right. All right, give me something good, baby. Give me something good, baby. Ooh, heat more. Reverse. Not bad. Bang. Womp womp. That's all right. That's all right. Let me move all of these out of the way. That way we can put our hollows right there. Right there. So, guys, I'm hoping to get a couple. So this is the end of the booster box that we had gotten. Hoping to get a couple more. I don't remember pulling too much out of these, out of the Rebel Clash. So I'm really hoping that it makes up for what we didn't get. Now, the green pack doesn't seem so promising. That's okay. We've pulled a couple of VMAX cards out of green packs, so you never know. You never know. All right. Dang. Dang. That's all right. We got two of the bad ones out of the way. We're going to get an ultra rare right here. I can feel it. I can feel it. Oh, hey, I opened up that one pretty easily. Pat myself on the back for that one. Oh, look at that. Silver. Ayo. I'm noticing the quality of these packs is a lot less. I see a lot of whitening on the back. And some of these cards a little off center. But that's okay. That is okay. Because when we get a good card, hopefully it's in great condition. Not bad. See? Look at that. Toxtricity V. Wow. Wow. We see like discoloring right here in the top corner. Whitening right here. The quality isn't there with these. The back actually looks pretty good. Nothing too bad going on there. But the top got a little white speck here. One up here. That's really about it. Seen a little bit of. No, that's good. Yep. Not a bad pull. Not a bad pull. I like it. Let's see if we can get a couple more, shall we? Put this bad boy in a sleeve as well. Boop. I felt it there. I felt it. I did. I picked it up and I said, you know what? This card's calling my name. This pack is calling my name. Another green pack. All right. Let's see what we got. Magmar action. Back to Buzz. Let's go Wheat. All right. All right. A little holographic. Oh, it's having a hard time focusing on that. That's silly. All right. Not bad. Not bad. Let's go ahead and tear into this next one here, ladies and gentlemen. See if we can get another V or V Max card. I'm hoping we can get a just one VMAX. That's all I want. Just one VMAX. That would make my day. Yes, it would. Let me move the mic just a smidge. There we go. Nope. Never mind. I guess I can't do it. The new placement for my desk is not ideal. Did I already do the trick? No, I didn't. Ba-bam. Hatterene. Pokeball. Okay. Not bad. A little bit of a letdown, but that's okay. You know what it is? I know what it is. It's my desk lamp. Let me turn the brightness down on that. And I think the exposure on the camera, I think that might be a little too high. Maybe not. Maybe not. That's okay, though. Maybe if I just twist the lamp a little bit, maybe that'll help. All right. Ah, these packs, man. Oh, my goodness. It's like you got to just get that little notch going to rip it open like this. Seems like 90% of the packs are like that. Silly. All right. Electrode. All right. Let's see. Ooh. Let's go. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, wow. That's awesome. Another V card. I'm happy with that one for sure. And I like the holographic on it. The holographic's really nice. Nice hollow layout. Let's see if we can get another. Like I said, I want a VMAX. I'm cool with these though. Don't you get me wrong. Come on. Ba-bam. Almost dropped it off the table. All right, here we go. Ooh. Reverse Magnetar. Mandibuzz, non-hollow. It's all right. It's all right. Worst things have happened. We got 3 left. Come on, baby. See? That one opened up smooth. Dang, another green. Yikes. Let's see. We're going to get something good. All right. Non-hollow scissor. Sizor. However you pronounce it. His attack is a scissor, so I just call him scissor. I don't know why. Maybe it's Sizor. Let me know in the comments. Is it scissor or Sizor? Sizor. I don't know. All right. All right. 2 left. Can we redeem ourselves? I think we can. Oh, another green. Darn it. The anticipation is killing me here. I'm starting to like these special energies. All right. Oh, darn. Darn it. Are we going to... All right. All right. For the last pack. Is it going to be something good? Can you at least get another V? Since so far we've gotten these two, which I'm happy with. The Toxtricity is cool. Bolthound. Don't know how to pronounce the other one. All these have some weird names. It seems like it would be pronounced one way, but it's pronounced another. All right, so our last pack should be good. Should be good. Wait, hold on. I think I messed that one up. Yeah, yep. We're good. All right, let's see. Little Lombre action. Yes, indeedy. All right. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Reverse Pokeball, that's all right. This guy, not a bad rare. Not a bad rare. Not a bad rare at all. Ladies and gentlemen, so what do we get today? We got Toxtricity V, Boltoon V, which I really love the holographic on this guy. And he just looks so cute. He looks so happy. You know what I mean? So happy. I like it. What do we get for our reverse cards here? We got this one's regular holo, which is the only regular holo we got. Everything else is kind of your basic reverse holo. Yeah, but that's okay. That's okay. Not bad, ladies and gentlemen. Not bad. Remember, we do this every day. And now that we're done with everything else, we can go back to the Darkness Ablaze, which we've got 2 big booster boxes of. That's right. We're going to open up this bad mamma jamma tomorrow. It's going to be wonderful. We're going to call it Finding Charizard Friday. So be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Check out our socials. Everything is at Funkymon. All spelled the same way. It's going to be wonderful. I can't wait. Let's put some predictions in the chat as well, or in the comments. Are we going to get the Charizard out of this particular box? I think we will. We didn't get the Charizard out of the last one. It's got to be in this one. Has to be. Has to be. Has to be. It's going to happen. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. We're going to find that Charizard. Yes, sir.